Why do water heaters always seem to act up just when you need hot water the most? Alright, so first off, if you want your water heater to keep chugging along without constant drama, here's the deal. Flush it out every 6 months to clear that nasty sediment buildup that messes with heating. Check the pressure relief valve regularly because if that thing's stuck, you could have a real headache on your hands. Insulate the pipes and the heater itself to keep heat from sneaking away. This saves energy and keeps water hotter longer. Don't ignore weird noises or rusty water. Those are red flags that something's off. Set the thermostat around 120 degrees Fahrenheit because anything higher wastes energy and can cause scalding. If you notice leaks, get on it as soon as possible, because even a small drip can mean big trouble down the line. Schedule a professional inspection yearly to catch sneaky issues before they blow up. Finally, think about upgrading if your heater is over 10 years old, since newer models are way more efficient and reliable. One of the biggest slip-ups people make with water heaters is ignoring regular maintenance like flushing and valve checks, which leads to sediment buildup and clogs. Fix that by setting reminders for routine care. Another common issue is cranking the temperature too high, which wastes energy and risks burns. Just keep it steady at 120 degrees Fahrenheit to stay safe and save cash. The third big mistake is putting off repairs when you see leaks or hear strange sounds. Don't wait around. Call a pro right away to dodge costly damage or a total system failure. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to buddy for connecting with local contractors who actually know their stuff, making it way easier to get your home projects done right without the stress. Plus, it helps contractors find solid work from homeowners nearby, so everyone wins and your water heater woes can be a thing of the past.